Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to get a key of Battlefield Open Beta fast. Firstly, go to the Twitch Drops page and connect your Twitch account to your EA account. Make sure both accounts are using the same email for easier linking and reward delivery. Tune in to the official Battlefield 6 reveal stream on July 31, which is already past, but you can get them from there on Twitch. Or you can watch the approved Twitch creators who have dropped enabled. Now just keep an eye out for the drops enabled tag on their stream. I know it's already late, but you still can get the beta access features key on those streams. Also watch for a total of 16 minutes during the event to automatically receive a Battlefield 6 Open Beta Early Access key in your linked EA account or via Twitch inventory. If you already did it, okay, but this is for the ones who never did it. You can check your progress and claim your rewards at twitch.tv/drops/inventory once your watch time hits 60 minutes. And that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed it, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.